Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's burger video update for Saturday 23 of July. A lot of people might be wondering what the hell is happening to burger at the moment, even though I've actually brought a few updates in the previous history, but you know what, I'm gonna do it again. So we saw burger just pumping massively to the upside for certain reason. I don't even freaking know why they actually pumped to the upside. But one thing that I actually made sure that I told you about is that you did have this resistance after you actually made the pump to the upside. So going back to the history, this is what happened, right? So you were moving sideways like this and you ended up making a descending triangle, right? You went to the downside. After you pumped to the upside, you still met that resistance of the descending triangle after a very long time. Now, the current situation, what's going to happen now, right? So that's what is in the mind of so many people. There's a pattern known as a bear flag, and I can go to Google very quickly if you don't know about it, and we can write in here bear flag. And this is known as continuation pattern actually. So this is how it looks in a nutshell. So when the prices are moving down and they start to make a false sideways movement and they break, they actually continue to move even way more down. So applying this concept on the chart right now, what I'm going to say is the following. Okay, so I'm going to bring this here and boom, right? So when you are actually moving to the downside, this actually made that flag. Do you see that? The sideways movement created that flag. And how do you calculate the flag? Okay, so if I do tell you this one, you are going to go from there to there, and this is where you're breaking out the flag, because the flag is actually something like that and that. And it actually is going to take you down to this price level right over here, between these ranges, between $1 and $0.96. And keep in mind that that's where you're going to find the very, very big support moving forward, which is actually going to be a touch here, a second touch there, 1, 3, 4, and then you come down fifth. You can actually hold this level, but if you break below the level and start to close below it, then you're going to be looking to actually continue way more down to the downside. And that's it for this quick update on burger. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you guys want to join our signal and or join the Discord for absolutely free, you can check the link is in the description of the video, and I'm going to leave the video to actually know how to join our signal. There's 7 days for accepting the entries of August. And that's it. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.